Like always, let's start by talking about the design of the smartphone. Sporting a sleek profile, the Realme 8 5G's design is in line with the classic Realme smartphones. The phone weighs 185 grams and has a good in-hand feel. The phone comes with a USB Type-C charging port. We also get a 3.5mm headphone jack on the smartphone. The smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that is snappy. Realme 8 5G is available in two colors, Supersonic Blue and Supersonic Black. Moving on to the display of the smartphone, you get a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display on the Realme 8 5G, which is good for watching content and playing video games. The screen comes with a max refresh rate of 90 Hz. The screen supports a max brightness of 600 nits, which means you can expect better black levels and an enhanced viewing experience. Complementing the display is a loud bottom-firing speaker. So what's the camera like on the Realme 8 5G? Let's talk about that now. On the back, we get a triple camera array which comprises of a main 48-megapixel primary camera that features super nightscape, panoramic view, HDR video recording and portrait mode. Then we have a 2-megapixel macro lens and finally a 2-megapixel black and white portrait lens for those beautiful monochrome shots. On the front, we get a punch-hole 16-megapixel shooter. The front camera also features portrait mode, face recognition and AI beauty function. Ooh, time for some hardware conversations. Realme 8 5G is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G chipset. Yes indeed, this is a smartphone that is 5G ready. The Realme 8 5G comes with Android 11 out of the box and the skin on the smartphone is Realme's own 2.0 UI. The Realme 8 5G comes with a 5000 mAh battery that supports an 18-watt quick charging. According to Realme, the smartphone should last a typical working day. The Realme 8 5G is available in two variants. There is a variant with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and then there is another variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So guys, this was a quick overview for the Realme 8 5G. For more such content, make sure to check out Tech Insider India.